So the first item in our nav we want to show is an image. So if we do image for now, and then the source of this image we are going to have as an Amazon logo, which if we just copy this, upload here, and now save, we should get the Amazon logo over here, and it's quite big, so we need to define the width and the height. So I'm just going to give it a width of 100 and a height of 100. So width is equal to 100 and also a height of 100. And now that has shrunk a little bit. And for image optimization, we want to use the next image component. So if we change this to a style component, and then we will use the next image component to optimize the image further. So I'm going to name this as a style component of logo, which we now need to create. So in here, I'm just going to do export const of logo, which is equal to style.image, like so. But instead of the HTML image, I'm going to use the NextJS image. So if we do parentheses like so and type in image like so, and what we need to do is control space and import next/image here and close it off. And now if we go back in here and control space, so the way next image works is we can only use predefined URLs. So we have to define that we're going to be using this URL in the application. So here you can see hostname png.img.com is not configured under images in your next config.js. So we need to configure that now. So as you can see here, we have the next config.js over here. After the compiler, we need to give an images object, and in here we want to give the domains. So if we press tab, we have an array of domains in here, and this is an example, but what we want to do is use png.img.com. And now what we do is save all, but we also need to restart the server. As you can see here, restart the server to see the changes in effect. So if I do yarn run dev again and refresh the page, we can now see the image is being shown. And if I was to inspect this image now, it wouldn't just be a regular image tag. We now have a source set in here, and it is showing the different versions for the different device types. So it is a better optimized image. And also you can see here, we have a loading of lazy as well. So what we now need to do is fix the styling of the image. So in our styles component, in my logo, what I'm going to do in here is, first of all, give it a cursor of pointer, a height of 50 pixels, a margin of 0 and 20 pixels on the left and the right. So if I save, you can see here that the image is looking a little bit better. And what I also want to do is give it an object fit of contain. So this contains it within its container. So now if I save, as you saw there, the image compressed in a little bit. So if I commented it out, you can see the image distorts from its aspect ratio. So if I do Command Z and save, the image now is contained to within its container. What I also want to do is when I click onto this, I want to navigate to the home page. So no matter where I am on the website, if I click on the logo, we will get directed back to the home page. So the way to do that is in our logo, we want to wrap the logo into a next link tag. So if we import this from next link like so, and this will have a href, as you can see here, of the /. So this will be the home route always. What I also need to do is close this off over here and now save. And this will now hover over to the home route when we click onto it. And to test this, if we go to /test, what this will do is, because we don't have a test page, Next.js redirects to a 404 page. So now what I want to do is, if I click onto the Amazon logo, we then get directed to the home page. So as you can see, that has worked.